Well, that's it. One lucky person's gonna get these keys, and this is definitely gonna be a life changer. You ready? So I guess now we're stuck with this rental car.
Yeah, it's all right.
It's all right. Hey, it is. I mean, the 10-speed auto, that thing's actually pretty impressive. We're done with the giveaway car, so now we're gonna go and I guess tour Houston. I mean, we got the rest of the day to ourselves to kind of do our own thing now. And you want to test out line lock?
Why not?
Yeah, I've never used line lock. This is a 2020 5.0, and it's got the 10-speed auto in there. So
yeah, big old 235s.
235. All right. That's probably the hardest thing I'll have to do all day today. I was getting a little attached to that car. Right now, we're heading over to go meet up with 2 local people. They're going to kind of show us around Houston, show us some things to do. We're going to get into some stuff. They're going to kind of show us some places to eat. We got 2 free tour guides, is what basically what we got. Yeah, this is my Uber. I brought my Uber driver with me.
What are you doing in the front? Get in the back. I guess we got to switch drivers now.
What? It's Jaden. You guys probably remember him from the bombshell meet, and then this is his baby mama right here. What do you like to go by? Ellie? Ellie? Okay, so I told him, like, dude, take us to a place, get us some awesome food, and it looks like he brought me to a Roach Coach, or I don't know.
It's a
like
little hidden gem.
A hidden gem.
Hidden gem we have in Houston.
Truck.
Street tacos.
So, all right, street tacos.
Never had street tacos, so this is my favorite spot.
Your favorite spot. All right, let's do it. She got to order for us now. Yeah. We can't even order our own food. We're gonna get sashimi, that thing, yeah, and then so let's do 4 tacos, and then we're gonna do a quesadilla.
What meat do you want in your quesadilla?
Chicken.
Dos quesadillas de pollo y 4 más de cecina.
She said 4.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Mine.
That one's yours? Dude, that does look good, man.
Yours.
So, how did it feel when that Roush drove by?
Oh man, hit me right in the feels.
Did it?
Yeah.
So he had a Roush. You said it got totaled, right?
In front of my house while I was asleep.
And it was a hit and run.
Hit and run. I still don't know to this day who hit it, and it was 5 months ago.
So whoever hit his car, comment below and admit it.
Yeah, we need to talk, man. We need to talk.
Right? Oh, we got stickers?
Yeah, we got stickers.
Look at that. I want the
Mustangs
black
of Houston.
one. Let me just say, that taco stand.
Los meros
Oh.
tacos.
There we go. That taco stand was awesome. That was good, wasn't it? Probably the
Delicious.
best tacos and best quesadillas I've ever had.
Oh yeah.
So much
that
flavor.
Chicken quesadilla was like.
Yeah, it was good. This sticker, because once you know everything that goes into the detail, you have so much more appreciation for this sticker.
Okay, so how the sticker was is that the outline on the right side is the city skyline of Houston, and then right here you can see the outline of the new S550, and then between the T and the A you can see the S550 taillights. And that's how the sticker is made in red.
Check them out. So now we're downtown Houston. They're actually showing us a few of the cool spots to take pictures. I wish we had a spot this good back home. But this is awesome. You can't ask for like a better spot. You got the bridges going over. You've got the, I guess, the city skyline in the background. Is that what you call that, city skyline?
Yeah. We got others.
Yeah, there's other people over here taking pictures as well. So I guess it's like a local spot that a lot of people know about. So you guys have a lot of spots like this, don't you?
Yeah, there's a handful of spots in Houston. Not everybody knows about them. Most of the car photographers know where they're at, but they don't like to give them out. But a lot of people kind of know about this spot. A lot of people don't. But this is one of the other hidden gems for really good photography.
Yeah, dude, this is sick.
I like this.
I brought the giveaway car down here and took some pictures with it. That would have been awesome. But
yeah.
Next spot?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the next spot.
Cool.
This is the second spot they brought us over here to for a photo shoot. So this spot is actually pretty good too. And then the first thing you notice when you come over here, all these burnout marks that I guess people over here doing burnouts. But not only do you see burnout marks over here, if you look over here, there's a bunch of used tires. So I'm assuming people coming over here roasting them and just tossing over their tires and stuff. But that's pretty sweet. Did you get a good picture?
Nope, that's why it's the first one.
Look, it's Homer. Well, we told you guys we were gonna give you a burnout in this, so we figured this was the perfect spot since we found this little spot. It looks like other people have been doing their burnouts here, so I figured we gotta mark more spots here in Houston, let them know that we were here.
Let me test line.
Oh, you wanna test it first?
I don't know.
Just go to test it, and if it works, it works. If not, so we've never really messed with line lock. Sean's actually gonna try. We're gonna have Sean do the burnout in this, since I did the burnout in the giveaway car. He wanted to do a burnout too, so that's what we're gonna do. Here we go. Was that line lock? Turn off traction control. Go ahead.
Keep saying not available.
Line lock? Does it have to be in track mode?
I am in track mode.
Or drag race?
Drag race mode right there. Engaged. Press OK to begin. Here we go.
Oh, it's good.
All right,
hold on.
I'll start over. Because there's a timer of 15 seconds.
Oh, it's a 15-second timer. That's a sick truck, man. That's OZ. Huh?
OCL.
What's his name?
OCL.
OCL. You got to be Spanish to know how to say that. I'm just gonna call him OZ. Ozzy, OZ. But that's a sick truck. Everybody that I've met out here in Houston so far has been like super nice, super friendly, very welcoming. And I definitely got to thank these two for giving Sean and I a tour and showing us around. Sean got his burnout in. They showed us some cool spots. So now, since we're in Texas, one thing that you definitely have to try is probably what, steak?
Yeah.
Steak. Transition us to steak dinner.
Hey, before we get steak, we gotta get some boots.
She says I need cowboy boots before we go out. Holy crap, there's... Dude, I'm making a video, man. No, you're not measuring my foot. I like to buy a size bigger, so I, you know.
I think I found a pair that might fit you.
Oh.
And they're pretty cheap, man. I think you might be able to get these.
Funny, you're too funny.
I mean, I don't know if they'll fit me, but I think they might fit you, man.
No, no.
It's perfect.
No.
You gotta try these on, man. You're in Texas.
Oh boy.
You're gonna be a Texan today.
But see, I didn't wear the right pants for the cowboy boots. These are like the Texas boots, right? They're actually comfortable.
8.5.
Yeah, tiny foot.
Stop making fun of my feet, dude. You don't want these. Yeah.
How do you get made in China boots with a Texas flag? $800. We're gonna boot, scoot, and boogie now. And then we're getting Laura a little something. She told me not to get it for her, but I get a free cowboy hat with every purchase of boots. You gotta try, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, dude, you're gonna gut our boots.
You sure you don't want the Ariats?
Got these because they're made in the U.S. The Ariats were made in Vietnam.
Well, just those ones.
Just those? Okay. All right. We got some cowboy boots. Yep, I already did all that.
Dude, I couldn't even get halfway in the door. That is bad.
She's like, I don't smell nothing.
Smells good.
I farted in there.
Got you some boots.
Got me some boots.
On our way to get some steak.
We are. She already transitioned us.
Now we can go eat some steak. Bienvenidos a Saltgrass Steakhouse.
I think she said that we're at a steakhouse.
Ese es el restaurante original que se fundó aquí en Houston.
Comment below if you know what she said. This is the very first one, right? And there's like 80 of them or something like that?
Yeah.
There's a bunch all over?
Yeah.
Okay, but this is the original.
This is the very first one in Texas.
Hold
Very
on.
first one.
Very first one?
Yes, sir. Very first one.
What do you guys recommend? You're the local.
Steak and shrimp.
Allergic to
Do you need me to order your food? Because I can do it in English. Hold on. You come to a steakhouse and get chicken?
That's the same thing that dude told me. We came on a date here last month.
A date?
Yes. And I
With...
got,
Alright, so we... Okay.
I I got this because I love chicken. And he told me, you come to a steakhouse and get chicken. So, yeah.
You can't do that.
Thank you.
And then this guy comes to a steakhouse and orders a burger.
At least it's me.
Dude, you guys are perfect for each other. Garlic, taters, and steak. Look at that. That's perfect. She's trying to ribeye. She doesn't eat steak, right?
Yeah, no.
First time eating steak. And she recommended the steakhouse, too. That's ribeye.
Oh my god.
Isn't that good?
It's so juicy.
That's what she said.
So you thought that was juicy and soft?
Yes.
We're gonna get some filet.
You dirty.
Talking about my meat here.
That made it way worse. Sadly, I can't have either one of those. I'm allergic to mushrooms.
A filet.
That's French.
French.
That's a little spicy to it.
That might be the topping.
So cute.
Which one do you like better, the ribeye or the filet?
I'm American now.
So if anybody ever comes to Houston, hit up this tour guide and
Mustangs of Houston. Mustangs _of Houston.
so if you come to Houston, you definitely got to check out one of their meets, and then you're going to need a tour guide.
That's me.
Back from Houston, as you can see, we're here in the garage, but I had a blast. Houston was fun, as you could tell from the videos, but the whole reason why I went out to Houston was to go get a pair of cowboy boots, because the ones I have now starting to wear out my old pair, or some might say they're just broken in. No, it wasn't to get cowboy boots. The reason for the Houston trip was to team up with Hot Pursuit Dream Car Giveaway. If you guys haven't seen the giveaway videos, you got to check those out. And as for the C10, because I know a lot of you guys love this C10 and people keep asking where's part 2 of the bags. Part 2 is coming, I promise. Now that I'm back home, check this out. Like, it's got this nice shine. I've coated the entire back half of this frame. It looks amazing, and I even did the rear diff. I'll probably get into more details on all the stages in another video. These are the bags if you guys haven't seen it. Part 2 of the bags is coming for the C10, and everybody's been asking in the Houston vlogs, where's Laura? Because they didn't see her. Well, she didn't go. What are you doing? Oh! A few people have commented in the Houston videos asking where you were. That's how I get ignored all the time. What did you do, bud? Whatever. You can still eat it. So we're making ribs in the crock pot. I don't know if you guys have ever tried that, but amazing. All right, come here. If you guys made it this far in the video, hit that like button. I wanted to ask you guys something. I want to know what you guys think about the style of vlogs that I do. Would you guys like more of like a raw style video where it's just like walking around with a camera, or do you guys like these type of videos with all the extra shots with the drones, the roller shots? I call it B-roll. It takes a lot of work to get all those shots in there. The reason I ask, because if I started doing more of a raw style videos and putting out raw vlogs, I could put out a lot more videos versus one video a week, because that's my goal on this channel. I've been trying to do one video a week. What do you think, bud?
I like it.
The boys like it. What do you guys think? That's a wrap for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you guys want to see more videos from Houston, there's gonna be a playlist for it, and I'll link it up here at the end of this video. But anyways, see you guys in the next video. Peace.